So I wanted to do a quick little video for a 2001 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. It's a 3.4 liter, I believe, V6. Anyways, this is about the ABS. I've been having issues trying to find this part for a while. And once again, please excuse the video quality. So we have the wheel speed sensor. Oh, hopefully I can edit this. If not, oh well. So with the wheel speed sensor right here, wire goes here. You see the wire comes up here and it runs along. Camera will adjust. It won't adjust. Okay, so the wire runs along right here, goes up, goes along above the differential, and right here. Well, see this gaggle of wires right here? There was a wire cover around it to kind of help manage that. I took that off, but took that off. It was very hard to see where these went. But for those wondering, it connects up here. It is the plug on the right. It connects to the, or it is going to be on the frame on the driver's side at the rear, and it'll be the plug closest to the front of the cab, or closest to the front of the truck. And then you just take that off. All these wires will be wrapped up. The blue wire probably won't be here. That was installed by someone that owned the truck before me, but it runs along there and goes back to right there. So hopefully that helps you out. Once again, I apologize for the quality of the video. Trying to keep it under 3 minutes, but if you want, I'll leave some info in the description. Hopefully I'll read the description first. I'll let you know, hey, just fast forward, skip to this part. But hey, I hope this helps you out if you're trying to troubleshoot an ABS issue. I had a code 44 and a code 33. I can't remember which one's which, but yeah, these, that's where the wire is, the one on the right side. So y'all take care.